Welcome to Bible Class for Kids. Bartimaeus was very determined when he heard that it was Jesus who was passing by, and his persistence was rewarded. This story is written in 3 of the Gospels, and there are small differences in each of the writings, so we will address this in this lesson. Join me at BibleClassForKids.com for this lesson and the corresponding creative page. Each creative page in this series are different and they are interactive. That's why the students never get bored with them. So let's get started. We have just finished number 33, Jesus Raises Lazarus from the Dead. It has a cool accordion center. And today we're going to make little pockets for our labels. We have 3 circular labels and 1 oval label, and of course our title label. And we're going to make pockets. So you're going to need to go to Bible Class for Kids and download the PDF file, which has the lessons, the instructions, and the labels for this creative page. So to get started, we're going to print our labels. And we're going to start our base with a 12 by 6 sheet of paper. We're going to make 2 cuts. A cut at 6 by 6 inches and a cut at 4 inches. And that leaves a 2-inch strip. Now we're going to decide what sides we want our bases and our pockets, and we're going to alternate. I'm going to have this as my base, this is my center pocket, and this will be my front pocket. So the colors are alternating. And now let's apply adhesive. To make a pocket, we're going to apply adhesive on 3 sides. Now for this center pocket, we only want the pocket about this deep, so this label will fit only to the center glue line. So we're going to turn it over. We're going to apply the double stick tape, making the pocket as we did on the first strip. And then we're going to apply an additional strip right at the center of this paper. And when we attach it then, our oval will stop at this glue line. So now we want to cut our labels. Now we have designed the circles to be cut with a dry cutter machine or a punch. But I'm simply going to cut mine out with the scissors. Now our circle is a 2 3/4 inch die, and our oval is a 3 3/4 inch die. Now after cutting our labels, we only want to put adhesive on our title label. And that completes our kit. There's our base, our pockets, and our labels. So let me show you how to put them together. We're going to start with our base. Then we're going to start with our 4-inch by 6-inch strip, and we're going to glue it, aligning the sides and the bottom. Next, we're going to take our 2-inch strip, and we're going to align that as well from the bottom and the sides. And now we're going to attach our title label to the top of the page, and we're going to insert our circles into the pockets. Thank you for joining me today for number 34. Next we will do number 35, which, oh my goodness, what a cool pocket that is. So have a great day today, and we'll see you next for number 35.